Hello and welcome back to 100% Info. In this video, I will answer the question, where exactly is the charging port of GoPro MAX 360? Let's begin! So, in order to find the charging port, first we need to open the battery hatch. We can do that by moving it like this. By default you actually don't see the red here, so we want to see the little lock. And when the lock is, well, locked, we can't really move the hatch. So we want to unlock it until we'll see the red. Now we want to press your finger pretty hard and move downwards. Now we can lift the hatch up, just like that. And the white thing here is our battery. And here, let me get a light on it, we can see the charging port. And now you can simply just take your USB-C cable, plug it in, and now, as you will see, it's charging. And yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.